Dirty this thing is. Look at that. Oh man. It's overheating. This is a problem right here. Why it's overheating. Damn, look how dirty that is. And it came out of the fan here. That's another thing why it's overheating. Definitely. Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to take a look at it. Why is my computer overheating? A couple of things that are happening in these machines, and this is one of them again. This is our second machine that we're going to review, opening it up, changing the thermal paste, cleaning it up, removing the dust bunnies. If you can see here, this is what I'm talking about. How dirty it is, how it's accumulating all these dust bunnies. We're going to take a look at it, and we're going to show you a couple of tips what you can do. Recommendations: buy an air can. Buy an air can, necessary to do this. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get underneath the hood and see how bad is the thermal paste. And this is we're going to review, we did this before. It's an Omen 15. It's a really great machine. The only thing is just like the thermal paste is bad, and also the intakes are pretty bad. And we're going to take a look at how dirty it is under the hood. Oh man, the battery needs to replace too?
Yeah.
Shoot. So we gotta replace the battery too. Look how dirty this is. Look at that one too. You could dog hair and hair do it? Oh man. Look how dirty it is. Let me go borrow air can. I think I start with this sticker. You have to put that back on too at the end. We do have to disconnect the battery, so you have to unscrew it. And that's it. Battery's off. Now here comes the best beautiful part. You have to unscrew these and these. I think one of them stays. I'm not sure. I think this one you move. I think. Then you definitely have to take this one off.
This is just the...
Oh, there it is. Take that one out.
So, which one screws?
So there's a screw there.
So remove all
And
this.
you got to remove the whole thing. Comes out because this thing goes. It's a metal piece or something like that.
We're taking this whole thing out?
Yeah,
like
we're
this?
taking this out.
Where's this?
and
Where's
this
thermal
out.
paste?
Thermal paste goes on this one and this one. This is the one that needs it the most. The GPU.
Okay. So. What's next?
Take the. Okay, now you have to unscrew these. You have to unscrew this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Or you can't move it, or you're gonna bend that. So unscrew those.
Okay, I'm gonna put the screws over here.
All right. Yeah, they're like different screws, so. Dirty this thing is. Look at that. Oh man. It's overheating. This is a problem right here. Why it's overheating. A lot. Look at that. Nasty gunk. That is nasty. So this thing is, look how dirty it is too from the back. Okay.
You want to do this one first?
Well, the whole thing comes out along with this as soon as it's...
Oh, okay. So
yeah.
I think you gotta take this one out first. Screw it here. I think this under here. No?
Here. Damn, look how dirty that is. And it came out of the fan here. That's another thing why it's overheating. Definitely. How dry the GPU is. Look at that. If you guys can see it. Let me just take you in that look position. That's the GPU dryness of the thermal paste. The cheap thermal paste that they put in here. Look at this one. Even worse. This is a CPU. It still has little bubbles here and there. So that means a little moisture there. Yeah, there's moisture on this one, but no moisture on this one whatsoever. Damn. You can clean this with alcohol wipe, and then a dryness too. So we got the GPU, the CPU. Here's the CPU, so nice and dry, and the GPU here. Oh, clean it is. So we got both of them nice and clean. I got these part nice and clean. This is where the GPU and the CPU, and then we have the thermal padding. We're gonna make sure it's cleaned a little bit, and that's about it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put a dot there, a drop there, and then a drop on the other one.
It's good.
Let me see. Oh, that's good, that's good. Now go do the same thing on the other side. Twist it. There you go. That one has to be smaller. That's good. Here. It's fine. It's fine. That's perfect. Don't worry about it. Alright. So the piece of resistance goes on. And then screw the last 4, 5. You have to screw them in. The last part of it. Last part, make sure you clean the vents where the actual air was flowing in there, because if you don't, you're gonna start again with the same thing. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.